Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve problem of Quizlet app. We go to settings as you see and we click. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page we'll search about the application of Quizlet. And we click here in this page. Here in this page of app info, we go to first stop and we click OK. Here we go to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by liking.